I'm just gonna do a review of this little old greenhouse real quick. It's the Shelter Logic 4-tier mini grow house. I'm gonna put it together and tell you what I think. Here we go. What I like about this greenhouse, I like that it's portable. I like that it's very easy to put together. I like that I can fit a lot of my plants and seedlings in here. As you can see, I got tons of cups of seedlings in here right now. This is like the third batch of seedlings that I've done in this particular greenhouse. The other batch of seedlings have moved on to another greenhouse. I had to pot them up and move them to a bigger space. So we want to start a lot of seedlings in a very small amount of space. This is a real good way. I guess another alternative use for this particular greenhouse, if you had small animals, maybe rabbits or something like that, I would be using this as an automatic fodder system. I'd have 2 trays, 2 of these size trays on each rack, your substrate in your pan, and just holes in the bottom so you could gravity feed water down through each level to feed your food for your rabbits or your chickens or whatever. I think that'd be actually a cheaper option, more time inclusive, but a cheaper option than actually going to buy chicken feed or livestock feed. And if you wanted to scale that, all you'd have to do is buy you a few more of these or build a bigger system. All right, that's my honest review of this here mini greenhouse. I like it. It works for me. One thing that I do want to add in before I take off and get out of here is, do not think that this is a solution that's going to get you, it's not a standalone situation. It's not very sturdy. So if you're going, don't stand up to wind very well at all. So if you're gonna have it outside, have it weighed down or, propped up against something, maybe even zip tied to, a fence post or something like that. But other than that, man, this thing's been working out fantastic. I like the zipper roll up. You can roll this thing up right here. I just usually flip mine all the way across the top, because by the time I'm getting ready to work in here, I'm not gonna need this enclosed by the summer. All right, that's kind of it. I thank y'all. I appreciate you.